I just broke another pot, Arm & Hammer strong arm. Work my wrist until it lock up, junkies call me number one. I can't go out like no hoe, so I'm always a one. Remix the game with this murder shit, them bullets burn like perms. I just broke another pot, Arm & Hammer strong.
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy SRT Boogie coming with another video. So today I already got it started, but I'm showing y'all that y'all can wrap y'all manifold in y'all car. On y'all car if you want to. I done already started. Like I tell you before, it's the first time trying it, so it ain't gonna be, it's not perfect, but it's a start. But it's a 10 footer, so you stand 10 foot away, look good. It's a 10 footer, let me show you. As you can see. Yeah. You see what it is. You see my guy back there, Mr. Why Not 345. He over here showing y'all how to hydro dip pieces of your car. Go to his channel so you can see that video, Mr. Why Not 345, so you can see how to hydro dip parts of your car. If you don't know how to do it, you never tried, or you didn't know you could do it, he will show you step by step how to do it. But as I see, I got some of it going. So the red reflect, it reflects. So you got the red and the gold right there. Go with the theme of the car, red and gold. So I'm gonna continue and finish the last two I got left. Then once I do that, put everything back together. I'm gonna show you the outcome, how it looks and whatnot put together. So y'all just sit back, relax, go grab you something to drink, grab you some popcorn. Before you do that, go hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and drop a comment if you like it, or you never know you could do it, or you gonna think about doing it. This is how to wrap your manifold on your car. If you didn't know that you could do it, you can do it. So I don't know if there's any videos out there like that, but I'm the first, from my knowledge, I'm gonna be the first to bring it to you, that you can wrap it. You get some good wrapping, sticky wrapping film, it can be done. So yes, sit back, don't hit the subscribe button, hit the like button before you go grab you something to drink. And we'll be right back. So as y'all see, you see it reflecting. The light hitting it. You turn the light off so you can see it. That's how it look. Get the red and the gold. Hit the light again. Bam. Lights up like a Christmas tree. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. One more time. Without the light. Bam. Red and gold, red and gold. With the light. Bam. Yes, sir. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. Don't mind the alcohol. Just get it in. Y'all see it. Reflecting. Just trying something different, man. You know, put my mind to work to use. But I think it came out pretty nice. As you can see it reflecting real good. Yeah, so yeah, that's about it for y'all again. Y'all see it. Yeah, this ain't gonna be a long video. It's getting dark on us. You see it reflecting? Yeah, it's nice. Look at it. It overpowering. You don't even see the gold. You just see all red. That look good too. Yeah, my first time doing it. I got a few tips from my guy right here. Yeah, so the rap master. Yeah, so like I said, y'all want to see how the hydro dip, go to his YouTube channel, Mr. Why Not 345, to see how to hydro dip in the parts of your car. And yeah, man, we out here, man, getting the work in for this car show. Trying to do a little something, make the motor stand out a little more. Go with the theme of the car. Yeah, I thought about it. He looked there. He was like, they tried and see. So we did. I had a little time on my hands, and we got it in. I was gonna paint it, but I like the better wrap. Of course, we go probably redo the red on it later on. It's just experiment, see how long will it last. You know, will it really stick to it before we redo it with no wrinkles or anything like that. So yeah, we gonna see. I probably wrap my catch can. So I probably wrap that too and make it reflect too. So yeah, it's just a short, quick video, man, that you are able, as of right now, to wrap your manifold on your car if you don't want to paint it. So yeah, it's doable. It is possible. So yeah, we gonna cut out, man. It's getting dark. I'm about to head to the house. I gotta work in the morning. He gotta work in the morning. So yeah, tonight, well, he gotta be working a few hours, like 2 hours. So yeah, we gonna cut this video short. Anything you wanna say?
Hey man, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to my guy channel, man. It's free, man. Y'all go check him out. Hit that like button, drop a comment down, and tell me what y'all think about this video. This guy, he grinding, man. He on the grind, so I salute my guy. He on the grind, so, and we coming up. If y'all didn't subscribe to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel also. Mr. Y-Not 345. I appreciate y'all. Hold on. Yeah, I appreciate y'all. The light in my face. So I appreciate y'all, man. Y'all subscribe to my guy channel. I'm out of here.
Yes, sir. Yeah, this dog got to have the light on. Oh, you know, we come naturally tinted. So yeah, we gotta have the light on us.
Natural.
This little light up, man. But I ain't gonna sing y'all though, but I'm gonna cut this video out, man. Appreciate y'all rocking with me, man. Road to 800. We gonna get there, man. We gonna get there. So you see this video, just hit the subscribe button, show your support, become part of the Boogie Gang, man. Coming to a city near you very soon, possibly. We out here traveling, man. We out here traveling. Yeah, we out here traveling, man. We trying to set up something to come to Dallas, man. So you in the Dallas area, man. Hey, we coming, man. Hey, hit your boy up, man. You want to link up, we can link up. You want to look at the cars, we can do all that. So just hit us up in the comments, man. SRT Boogie, Mr. Y-Not 345, man. Hit any one of us up, and we can link up, man. Y'all can look at the cars, do a video, whatever y'all want to do. You know what I'm saying? We don't charge nothing. You know, we just out here, man, trying to support everybody, man. That's out here grinding, man. We get up out of here, man. I'm gone.